Kaya mag-ingat po tayo mga kaibigan. So balik po ako mga kaibigan ha. The occult appeals to many people. Some try to contact their deceased relatives through mediums. So yun, yung mga kaibigan, yung mga horoscope, yung mga ano, 'di ba? Connect sa nag-aano sa mga spirit. Children read Harry Potter books. Ganun din ako dati, nagbasa din ako, hindi para maganda ang Harry Potter. And become fascinated with the occult. Kasi yung mga ano ng ano ng Harry Potter, 'di ba, about sa mga witches, magic. Kaya ano, 'pag nanood tayo nun, ano, yung mind natin ba, sana satanic video games are popular. You need to educate your children on the dangers of the occult, satanic activities, and other demonic influences. God Almighty condemns witchcraft and sorcery. He tells us, for all who do these things, for all who do these things are an abomination to the Lord. Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 12. Basahin natin ang sabi dito. For all who do these things are abomination to the Lord. And because of these abominations, the Lord your God drives them out from before you.